Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to do product research on TikTok. So product research on TikTok can be a valuable strategy for finding winning products, especially if you're involved in e-commerce or drop shipping. So first of all, you need to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and make sure that you have a TikTok business account. If you're serious about product research on TikTok, consider creating a TikTok business account. And this provides access to analytics and advertising features. If you don't know how to create a TikTok account, now what you'll have to do is you'll need to head over to your profile page. After that, you need to tap on the three lines icon located in the upper right hand side corner. From the drop down menu, go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. After that, go to manage account or just go to accounts. After that, you can see there is an option as switch to business account. You'll need to follow some criteria and follow the on-screen prompt and you'll successfully create TikTok business account. Apart from it, you can also use the TikTok discover page. For that, you need to head over to your home page, and over here you can see top right there's a search bar. So right over here you can just go ahead and find the trending and popular products, explore trending challenges and hashtag related to the product within your niche. You can do this procedure, and you can also follow influencer and content creator. So identify influencer and content creator in your niche. They offer showcase products in their video. Follow and observe the content regularly. Now apart from it, you can also look for user generated content, that is UGC, where people share their review and experience with certain product. Search for hashtag like hashtag product review, which you can go ahead and type in right over here, or product recommendations, and you'll be able to find a list of it. You can also check the TikTok shop tab. TikTok has introduced a shop tab that features promote and select retailer. Explore this section to discover products that get promoted on TikTok. If you're looking for a collaborator or promote a video, reach out to a TikTok creator or influencer who have a following in your niche. Now remember that TikTok trends can be transcended. What's popular today may not be popular tomorrow. It's essential to stay aligned and adapt to challenging trends and customer preferences. So these were the steps on how you can do product research on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.